December has three beautiful birthstones: turquoise, tanzanite, and zircon. Each of these gemstones is special, with unique colors and meanings. They make great gifts for people born in December or anyone who loves colorful, sparkling stones. Turquoise. Turquoise is a bright blue or greenish-blue gemstone that has been loved for thousands of years. It was used by ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Native Americans for jewelry and decorations. Turquoise is often believed to bring good luck, protection, and peace. It comes from places like the United States, Iran, and China. Its soft, calm color makes it a favorite for rings, necklaces, and bracelets. Tanzanite. Tanzanite is a rare gemstone with a rich blue-violet color. It was discovered in 1967 in Tanzania, near Mount Kilimanjaro, and is only found in that one location. Tanzanite's bright and beautiful color has made it very popular in modern jewelry. This stone is said to help people feel creative and improve communication. Because it is rare and only recently discovered, Tanzanite is a symbol of uniqueness and elegance. Zircon. Zircon is a natural gemstone that comes in many colors, but the blue variety is most popular for December. It is known for its bright sparkle and brilliance, which makes it look like a diamond. People have used zircon in jewelry for centuries, and it is believed to bring wisdom, confidence, and good fortune. Zircon is found in places like Cambodia, Sri Lanka, and Australia. Its icy blue color fits perfectly with December's winter season. These three gemstones are all different, but equally beautiful. Turquoise is calming and earthy, tanzanite is vibrant and rare, and zircon sparkles brightly like ice. They each have special meanings, like protection, creativity, and prosperity, making them perfect for December. Whether worn as jewelry or kept as a lucky charm, these stones are a wonderful way to celebrate the beauty of December.